Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Kumar. I am clinical instructor at DCDC Kidney Care. Today our topic is dialyzer reprocessing. Firstly, let's talk about dialyzer. What is dialyzer? Dialyzer is an artificial kidney which filters the blood, urea, creatinine, toxins, uric acid with biocompatible semi-permeable membranes. Definition: reprocessing. The process of cleaning, germ site and installation to the dialyzer. Reuse. The clinical use of the reprocessed dialyzer. Germ sites. An agent that kills germs, especially pathogenic microorganisms. A solution of parasitic acid based on disinfectant. Fiber van der volume. Fiber van der volume is an important determinant of dialyzer reuse efficiency. It measures the volume of fibers intact in a dialyzer. Significance: this measurement is performed after the dialyzer has been pressure cleaned and may estimate the degree of clotted fibers a patient actually encounters while on dialysis. Normal range. It varies dialyzer to dialyzer. Generally, bigger dialyzers have large fiber van der volume. The value can vary from 50 to 140 ml. Automated dialyzer reprocessing. Check new dialyzer for cracks, baseline fiber van der volume and surface area. Then, label new dialyzer with patient name, UHID, date of use. Then, after completion of dialysis treatment, return blood with 0.9% NS. Disconnect the patient from dialyzer and join arterial and venous tubing using connector. Take the dialyzer in a covered tray to dialyzer reprocessing room. After taking dialyzer to dialyzer reprocessing room, follow these steps. Flushing of the dialyzer through RO water till blood effluent is cleared. Then, inspect the dialyzer for cracks, leakage and clot. Remove clots by cleaning separately. Then, connect dialyzer. Connect dialyzer to automated reprocessor as per manufacturer guidelines and set the cut-off fiber van der volume. Then, cleaning, pressure and fiber van der volume test is done by automated reprocessor. Discard dialyzer if it fails to pass above maintained test and document the same. Disinfectant filling. Like Renalin 3 to 3.5% parasitic acid based is done by automated reprocessor. Storage of dialyzer. Dialyzer in a separate compartment with matched patient name and UHID for at least 24 hours. Connect the lumen of reprocessor like dialyzer with male-to-male connector and sanitize the machine. We are starting dialyzer reprocessing through dialyzer reprocessing machine. Firstly, select dialyzer. Then select dialyzer type. For example, F6. Then process of dialyzer. Select slot for dialyzer connection. First step is rinsing the dialyzer. Next step is chemical cleaning of dialyzer. Then now machine is testing pressure of dialyzer. Then a fusion, disinfectant filling in dialyzer. Now machine is showing pressure and volume which is passed. Manually dialyzer reprocessing. Check new dialyzer for cracks, baseline fiber bundle volume and surface area. Label new dialyzer with patient name, UHID, age, gender, date of use. After completion of dialysis treatment, return blood with 0.9% NS. Disconnect the patient from dialyzer and join arterial and venous tubing using connector. Take the dialyzer in a covered tray to dialyzer reprocessing room. After taking dialyzer to dialyzer reprocessing room, follow these steps. Flushing of the dialyzer through RO water till blood effluent is cleared. Then backwash the dialyzer using Dialysat connector for both blood ports of dialyzer. Then cleaning dialyzer by instilling hydrogen peroxide, dwell it for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse out thoroughly. Then inspect the dialyzer for cracks, leakage and clots. If persist, remove clots by cleaning separately. Then disinfectant filling like Renalin 3 to 3.5%, peracetic acid based. Storage. Storage of dialyzer in a separate compartment for at least 24 hours. Dialyzer reprocessing do's and don'ts. Do's. Number 1. Rinse immediately after termination of dialysis. Always cross-check the patient name and UHID. Cap should be properly sealed. Always fill the chemical properly. Keep in mind the stoichiometry of chemical. If patient is not coming, chemical should be changed after 72 hours. Now, don'ts. Don't wash the two different dialyzer with single pair of gloves. Don't beat the dialyzer hardly. Don't cluster the dialyzer in the sink. For suggestion and queries, connect with clinical department of DCDC Kidney Care.